Okay, back wheel. First thing to do is open your brake caliper up, put the lever in the up position, and the next thing you want to do is get your chain onto the smallest cog. So using the little lever on the gears.
Small ring.
No, not the small ring, the small sprocket.
Need to be on the small ring though.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
So do that a couple of clicks, lift the bike up, turn the pedals. A couple more clicks here. Turn the, and then a couple more clicks. Turn the pedals. Now the chain is on the smallest sprocket. Undo the quick release at the back, and then holding the bike here, just lift the bike up, and sometimes you just need to do that, and then you unhook the chain and the wheel comes out. Putting the wheel back in, hold the bike by the caliper, push the wheel up till it's kind of butting against there, and then hook the chain one bit under, one bit over. So hook the chain, now come around here, no, the other side, hook the chain so you've got one bit, the top bit of the chain on top of the sprocket and the bottom bit under, and then you just ease the bike down so the axle sits in the dropouts there. Do the quick release up, lift and turn the pedal to make sure it is all working. So do that again.
And shouldn't need to touch that.
Shouldn't need to touch that, right. Undo the quick release, lift the bike up, unhook the chain, take it out, to put it back in, push the wheel so it's right in over here, lower it down, put the lower section under the sprocket, and then sit the chain just on top of the cock there, and push it down, and then you'll see the axle's just going to line up into the dropout like that. So I've got a little bit too much chain on there, so just move that over. There we go. Do up the lever, and then just turn the pedals. Then once you've finished, do the lever up by the caliper. Your lever up there.
Right.
Brake caliper. Check it spins. Check it goes round.